Hey everyone. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to customize plain text emails in HubSpot using the full 2026 layout. Plain text emails are super effective for personal communication, outreach, nurturing, and sales follow-ups because they feel human, simple, and not overly designed. So first, open your browser, head to hubspot.com, click Log In, and sign into your account. Once your dashboard loads, we're ready to build your email. Go to the top navigation bar, click Marketing, and select Email. Then click Create Email and choose Regular Email. When the template options appear, select the plain text layout. This gives you a clean writing space with no drag and drop design sections, just straightforward text. At the top of the editor, customize your from name, from address, and subject line. Since this type of email feels more human, these details matter a lot for trust and open rates. Now move to the main text area. Type your message naturally. Even though it's plain text, HubSpot lets you create spacing, add simple structure, and use personalization tokens like the contact's first name or company name. If you want to add a link, highlight the text and click the hyperlink icon. HubSpot still tracks link clicks even inside plain text emails. You can also include lightweight formatting like bold emphasis or basic lists as long as the email keeps its plain text style. Next, scroll to the footer area. Even plain text emails must include your physical address, unsubscribe link, and required compliance details. You can edit the wording, but you need to keep the legal pieces in place. Once everything looks good, click Preview to see how the email appears on desktop and mobile. Then send yourself a test email. Plain text emails can look slightly different in each email client, so testing is always worth it. And that's it. That's how to customize plain text emails in HubSpot using the updated 2026 setup. It's one of the easiest ways to send natural, human-feeling emails that get strong engagement. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next